Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch, and it's Noodle Tuesday time yet again. Oh yes. And this week I've got some naked noodles, so it's Naked Noodle Tuesday. I have got naked Singapore style curry egg noodles, 85p from Morrisons. They're on offer at the moment. All the naked noodles. I keep wanting to say naked Noodles or something, I don't know. Yeah, all of this range are on offer in Morrisons at the moment, reduced from 120 to 85p. Okay, it says they're spicy. Look, there it is, spicy. So what we got? Egg noodles in a Singapore style curry sauce. They're vegetarian. Take 5 minutes to prepare. Just usual method, just add boiling water, leave for 5 minutes, eat them. Less than 1% fat, 295 calories per pot, a source of protein made with natural flavours, no artificial colours. Now, I've had a look through the ingredients of this, and this could be quite an interesting sort of fusion pot. Fusion pot. Fusion flavour, yes, because these have got curry powder in them and they've got Chinese 5-spice. So, sort of crossover, you know, Indian, Chinese flavours, probably. Who knows? We will find out shortly, won't we? Nothing else of anything. Nothing else. I can't get my words out today, can I? No change there then, Steve. Yeah, I know. I completely forgot what I was going to say now. Okay, I'll just get them prepared and try and get my mouth in gear. And we'll give them a try. Right, here we go with our naked noodles. It's a very fragrant and interesting smell. Smells lovely. It makes the mouth water. It's that sort of smell. These are flat noodles, as you can probably see. Quite short. Is that bit going to fall off? Let's just go for it. Hey, there it goes. I like that straight away. It's a very thick sauce. The flavour is quite sweet. Is it spicy? Nah. Is it tasty though? Yeah. But what does it taste like? I hear you thinking. Yes, I can hear you think, you know. And I'm thinking that as well. It's a unique taste, really. It's a little bit like curry. It's a little bit like, you know, Chinese flavours. And very, very Moorish. Yeah, that's one to get again, definitely. Especially at the moment because they're on offer. Yeah. Have you tried this one? What do you think of it? naked Singapore style curry. I recommend it. It's one of those things you just can't stop eating. And it's got a unique, distinctive taste which is difficult to pin down. But it's very, very good. Oh yes. Definitely have it again. Definitely. In fact, I might stock up while they're on offer. Although I have got quite a few noodles anyway. I've always got loads and loads of noodles. And I keep trying them. I don't think I'll ever get to the end of this Noodle Tuesday series, will I? It's just ongoing. Which suits me fine, because I love trying them. Okay, thanks for watching. And, I don't know, that's making me laugh. I don't know why. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.